I have hot glued the lights to the body and to the bumper, just to get them to sit in the right position so they don't move. I had done it to the both of them. Now I will hot glue these fiberglass angles there I want them. Then I can remove everything and fiberglass this to the lights then we test it again and see how it fits. I think that will work. The hot glue took the paint off here. I don't think the paint job is that well done on this car. But I have to repaint here anyway. Got small bit of hot glue. And let's move over there and put some fiberglass on it. It's the next day and it seems like it has cured. This going to be good. We have to build up a bit here, I know. I didn't do that the last time. I wonder why it is black here and not all the way. Is this Escort maybe? Big bunch of Escort from fiberglass. We'll see how we do that. This is cured too. Good, good, good. We look at them on the card. Let's see. Have to trim down that. This will be good, really good. After countless hours of adjusting this, trimming off some of the material over here and under here to get it to fit, I have mounted and remounted countless times. Let's see if it fits now. Now I got a little bit of gap here, just what I need to not get any rust on the hood if it's rubbing off the paint. Wow. And it's steady. One of the reasons why I went for this headlights instead of Morettes is the line down here. This bumper is rounded in the corner in this way and in this way. And this light rounded down, so you have two rounded edges meet here. And it looks much better than the Morettes. They are straight. Then you have a straight edge that are further out than the bumper, and you have a mismatch there. That doesn't look like it fits together. But the Morettes on an original bumper looks good, because the original bumper is straight and it actually goes up a bit after the lights. So the Morettes are built for the original bumper, but these lights fits much better with this illusion bumper. On the second light here I build up this edge with fiberglass, and now I'm gonna cut off all excess fiberglass and shape it. I did this with fiberglass because I don't want to have fairing, so build it up with fairing. I want the fiberglass to be the big thing and just fairing to the last shape there. And we did a bigger patch over here too. Now we will trim this to the right fit and test it on the car. What's happening here? We got the headlights here. I have put some filler on them. This left one we filled with fiberglass, and now I have put the filler on them. It's filler on this right one too. So I'm going to shape them in the right shape. And over here, let's see, I have put in the lights here. It was a bit hard to get them in the right position because it's really tight in the back side here. And I have done the same at the other side. I want to fit them now before we paint everything. If I have to do some adjustments, I can do it now without ruining the paint. So this is very important if you do something like this yourself. If you order something in fiberglass especially, put everything together on the car and do all adjustments before you paint it. And it's not perfect, but it's good enough. I have some different angles on this piece and this here, but I can't do anything about it. I think this will be good enough when we get everything together. But now I will fire the lights over here and get them to fit really nice. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.